In terms of decision making, you're going to need to make a decision. Are you going to study it or are you not? So we talked about 4 different types of decision making, talked around how it aids managers in identifying and selecting among potential opportunities, helping them solve immediate problems, make future problems more manageable. We talked about the 7 steps. Lots of information on that throughout the previous videos. This one I want to touch on in just a little bit more depth. So we looked at 2 different types of problem solving. We looked at plan, do, check, act. So I've got the plan, do, study, act circle there. So plan, identifying purpose and goals, do, execute the plan, check, monitor the outcomes, and act, so integrate those lessons learned. So make sure you've got a good handling of that. The other part we did was the SCQ, and that's more in terms of problem solving there. So defining the problem, diagnosing, identifying the solutions, and executing. So making sure you're looking at how we've gone from structured problem solving and the PDCA method. We looked at coaching, counselling, and discipline. Know it. Simple as that. Go back, learn it. Oh, we've gone blue. Negotiation types. We talked about distributive negotiation, integrated negotiation, and mixed motive, making sure that you have a good understanding. And remember with any of those videos that there's also the notes section, so you can start taking a look at the notes that are there. We also looked at the conflict resolution grid here. So we've got on one axis the importance of the relationship and the other importance of issues. So we looked at avoidance, accommodation, competition, collaboration, and compromise. So having a good idea of the win-win, win-lose, lose-lose, and what each one of these is. A lot to study that week, so making sure you're looking through it and going, okay, what could be an exam question here?